Dear students, today we are going to be aware of what is a sentimental comedy in drama. Actually, it was a reaction. Sentimental comedy was a reaction against the restoration comedy of manners. And sentimental comedy, it aimed at what was the main purpose of sentimental comic dramatist? They aimed at moral regeneration. Okay, this was the main purpose to write such kinds of comedy, that they wanted to regenerate morality and social refinement, wit and humor. Though it was a comedy, but in reality there was no humor, there was no wit, and we can say that wit and humor were totally absent, were totally banished. They were banished because they aimed at the regeneration of morality. And now it was moral in purpose and outlook. Sentimental comedy was moral in purpose and in outlook. Now, with the banishment, with the absence of wit and humor, there placed tears and pathos, only emotions, sentiments. So now we can see that sentimental comedy was full of tears and full of pathos. And why did they do that? Only to make it more and more sentimental. Their main purpose was to make it more and more sentimental, not humorous. Now, because of this, they created more and more tears, more and more pathetic situations. Such incidents, such situations were created, were placed in the drama, so that there may come tears in the eyes of the readers or the audience. And the more they cried, the more they achieved their purpose. And this was the reason that it was called sentimental comedy, because it made audience or readers more and more senti. So now because of this, what kind of characters we have in these kinds of comedies? Pathetic heroines, because it is sentimental comedy, because the main purpose of a sentimental comic writer was only to create more and more tearful situations. So this was the reason that we always have here. We find that heroines are also very pathetic, they are very emotional, they are very sensitive, and they here and there start to cry, start to weep, they always make complaint. Pathetic heroines and serious lovers only for their heroines. Servants are also very honest, because their purpose was to focus at the morality. So servants, they were very faithful, they were very honest and pathetic, right? Pathetic heroines, serious lovers, honest and pathetic servants. Distressing, tearful situation were main part of sentimental comedy. Pathetic situation, distressing situation, or those kinds of situation though that could produce more and more tears in the eyes of the audience, instead of making audience laugh. And now it was not there was not a possibility to laugh or to have a fun. There was no humor, because humor was completely absent there, it was totally banished. So now audience, they only cried, they only shed tears, and there was no laughter. So instead of making audience laugh, these kinds of comedy only made tears roll down in the eyes of the spectators, which killed the spirit of laughter. So now you cannot say that it is a comedy if the audience, if the readers, they are crying, they are shedding tears, and they are sitting or reading with their sad face. So how can you say that it is a comedy? Because all of them are weeping or crying. So people went against of it. Why? Because it killed, okay, sentimental comedy, it killed the spirit of laughter. And now there was a profusion of tears and emotions and virtue and morality in in sentimental comedy. And it was mainly Goldsmith and Sheridan, okay. Goldsmith and Sheridan, they both went against of sentimental comedy.